Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello, fellow Simmers. In this video, I will explain how to use the Tool mod in The Sims 4. This powerful mod, which stands for Takes Objects Off Lot, gives you incredible control over objects in your game. You can precisely move, elevate, rotate, and scale items, unlocking new creative possibilities for your builds and storytelling. It's an essential tool for anyone looking to push the boundaries of their Sims 4 creations, offering flexibility far beyond the base game's limitations. Getting started with the Tool mod is quite straightforward. First, download the mod from Twisted Mexy's official website or CurseForge. Once downloaded, simply drag the extracted mod folder into your Sims 4 mods folder. Remember to enable script mods in your game options for it to work correctly. In-game, you can access the Tool menu by shift-clicking on an object or by pressing Shift plus the letter T while in build mode, especially if you also use Better Build By. The core of the Tool mod lies in its powerful manipulation options. The Move function lets you place objects with exact X and Y numerical values, or use Alt-click for subtle adjustments. With Elevate, you can raise or lower items by specific amounts, ensuring they sit perfectly on surfaces or blend into the terrain. The Rotate feature allows full 3-axis rotation, meaning you can tilt paintings, lean furniture, or create dynamic scenes that are impossible with the base game's grid-locked rotation. Beyond the basics, Tool offers even more advanced features to spark your creativity. You can scale objects to custom percentages, making them half their original size or even 200% larger. The Toggle Active Object option lets you quickly move a selected item by simply clicking on a new spot. Plus, you can select and manipulate several objects at once, saving you time and effort. This mod truly empowers you to create unique, detailed, and visually stunning builds in The Sims 4.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.